What up? Jeff here, though, my Bitcoin Renegades. And tonight, Bitcoin is holding steady at about 47,000, a little under, a little over. Right now, we are sitting at 46,800. So it was just at 47 the last time I looked. Now it's at 46. But good news for me, and maybe some of you as well, AMP has started to go up a little bit, or it did a minute ago. Yeah. So it went all the way up to 555, and then now it dumped a little bit again as Bitcoin has gone down again. It keeps getting higher highs and higher lows, so we're still on an upward trajectory. That's hopefully looking good for AMP. Even though we lost a lot yesterday, we're starting to gain it back. So that would be cool if it started doing really well. We will keep an eye on this. Crypto, what I want to let you know in this video is where I see Bitcoin going in the short term and in the month of September, and then also the rest of this year, because we're almost at the end of the year. We have September, October, November, December. That's it. 4 more months. That's it. And then the month's over, and we're already into this month already. So not a whole lot of time left in this month. The graph was up to 85 cents a minute ago and just went down, as you can see. We were at 85 right here, not even an hour ago. So we just dumped in the last hour a little bit, not a whole lot. Bitcoin went down about $1,000 now. Wow. Okay, so it's going down. It's probably going to touch that 200-day moving average. And as long as we have that as support and it doesn't break on us, then we're going to be okay. We actually even went below the 50-day moving average. So what I was going to tell you guys earlier that I wrote in the description about something that's impending, I can't really show you on here, but if you remember, I was telling you about the impending golden cross for Bitcoin. Well, it's imminent. It's going to be here any day now, and I think that has something to do with this dip right here, as it seems like people are trying to hold the progression of the Bitcoin price back. That's what it seems like to me, because every time we start getting good momentum going with Bitcoin, something weird happens, and then we dump down, right? And now it's right in the midst of El Salvador adopting Bitcoin. It liquidated tons of longs, billions of dollars in crypto, 3.2 billions. But we have a golden cross coming, and if it did not dump right now, the golden cross would have probably brought Bitcoin to an all-time high within the next week. Still, after this golden cross, I think we're going to end up in the mid 50,000 range. So in the next couple weeks, be aware that Bitcoin's going to be over 50,000. That's my prediction for Bitcoin. It is going to be over 50,000. And we might even hit 60,000 by the end of October. And then we're going to see probably $100,000 Bitcoin by late November, possibly early December. And then it's going to have a sharp pullback. But I will let you know at that point. When we have a blow off top, when we go to a new all-time high, that's going to be it for Bitcoin for this cycle. And I'm going to let you know when that happens. But this golden cross could mean a $10,000 or more gain. It could mean a new all-time high. It depends on how much power it gives Bitcoin and what else is going on in the world and with Bitcoin and the charts and technical analysis news. There's a lot of factors. And George from Cryptos R Us to 1.5 million. We need single YouTube channels to have the top spot. Now, BitBoy Crypto, I have nothing against him, but that's a company as far as I know. There's a lot of people, I don't know what company it is, BitSquad, I don't know, they made their own company, whatever, but I think it should be individual YouTubers, not companies. So, same thing Mr. Beast did with PewDiePie, right? So, I think George, Cryptos R Us, could be the biggest YouTube channel for crypto. So I think let's get him up to 1.5 million subscribers. Let's bring him above. He's doing a giveaway too, I think, for the end of the year. So he's giving away crypto just like BitBoy did. So go over there and check that out. I think he's giving away like 5 Ethereum or something. I don't know. I don't know if he's doing that anymore, but that's what I heard last time. Look at Bitcoin going down right now. It just went down over $1,000 not that long. And the charts right here are like right now playing it off. Okay, here you can see it just went down. But this daily chart, look, it tried to play it off like nothing's happening right now. In this daily chart, like, oh, it just went down $1,000, but it's just a slight little hump. Well, I guess because it is a weird day, a $10,000 day. What more would that look like? So, but on the hour, you can see what just happened there. We just had another dump. Wonderful. But that's okay. This is only short term. Bitcoin is going to recover. Like I said, this impending golden cross is a good thing for crypto. Wow, it brought graph down with it. Everything is really starting to go down now during this video. Even this that was going way up. Let's see. Yeah, it's back down now. Wow. But things are okay. They have its ups and downs, right? We're just way high and then went, just drop off. So just don't worry about short-term price fluctuations. Look for the long term. Yeah, if long term it's never going to recover, don't invest in that or get out of that. But yeah, all these are going to recover. I can see the graph over $1 again in the not too distant future. Same, I can see AMP at least at 6 cents, probably within the next couple of days. I see even a spike for AMP within the next month. Within the next month, we're going to see at least a 7.5 cent spike, if not higher. It's time. It's AMP's turn to blast off now. Look at this. What a weird pattern for AMP. Look at that chart. It looks really, really weird. It doesn't look as bad on here, but if you look, any pattern that you've ever seen like this in AMP before has always led to a blast off. The W here, blast off. This W, blast off. So this W thing here is going to lead to a blast off. Every time we get them, sometimes a W blast off. So we could get a few W's like these, W blast off. So hopefully that's what we're getting with AMP. It looks like it to me. It looks like it's getting ready for a blast off. And I want to be part of that blast off. So I'm going to hold this AMP until hopefully blast off. It's number 6 in popularity. And yeah, not a lot of people are buying it anymore because it's not moving. People are getting a little bit restless, which I can understand that. When every other crypto in the world is going up a lot, and all this crypto does is go up a little bit and then down even more, up a little bit and then down even more, that's yeah, a lot of people aren't going to want to get into that. But the people that hold through that's holding through the storm. And then once you get out of that storm, then it's looking good on the other side. So I think we could see a pump. And I want to see a pump, so let's hope that happens. Bitcoin, yeah, it's going down a lot right now. I don't know what happened. We're right at the 200-day moving average right now. If it goes much lower, we're going to be below it. If we break the 200-day moving average, okay, we didn't. So we bounced right off of it. That's what we just touched right there, you guys. The 200-day moving average. And now we're $200 above it. See? We just bounced right there. So unless we break below this level of the 200-day moving average, I think Bitcoin's going to be fine for now. I don't see this being the end of the bull market right here. That wouldn't make sense that it goes up to 52,000 after going to 30,000, and then we go back down to 20K now. That just wouldn't make sense in any kind of logical way. Ooh, the price is really having a weird time right now. It's moving a lot. 46.3, 46.4, 46.3, 46.3, 46.4, 46.2, 46.3, 46.4. So yeah, I just lost $100 here again. I mean, yeah, it's not fun to watch your money go bye-bye. Yeah, so that was over a $3,000 loss. Look at that portfolio right there. Look at that. That is so ugly looking, guys. When you're look how good I was starting to do. I mean, we had some dips. You know, it wasn't like we were just going up. We had some dips. You know, oh, we go up. Nope, we have some dips. Oh, we're going up. Oh, we're really going up. Oh, yeah. Things are looking real good. Ooh, things are looking nice. Oh, nice. Cool. Okay, well, I'm going to get ready to go to bed here. Wait, 1 o'clock in the morning. Uh-oh. What's going on here? I knew it was going down, but then I woke up somewhere right here. 9,000. Down to 9,000. And this is only one, so I lost about 3 grand there. A little less than 3. 2,000 something. And then all my other places about, you know, 2, almost 3 grand as well. So yeah, we're looking about 4 grand. Almost $5,000 loss. So there's a part of my portfolio I haven't showed you guys. I'm saving it for Patreon. I'm saving it for videos later on. I have XRP. I have a bunch of coins that you guys haven't seen yet. These are just the ones I keep here on Coinbase. When I get ready to sell them, or I just bought them and traded them, or I'm, you know, making videos about them, I keep them on Coinbase here or in my wallet. So right now I'm just keeping these to show you guys the progress, and that's why they're here. My other ones, you can't sell XRP on Coinbase, so there's no reason to have it over here. And plus, when these go way up, I want to be able to sell them. I'm holding my XRP for the long term. So the only long-term holdings I have on here is Bitcoin. So I see Bitcoin going back up to 50K, hopefully by the end of this week. We'll see what happens. I don't really want to call it until I get a feeling on where we're going to go in the next day or so. But I think we're going to head back up to the 50,000s after the Golden Cross plays out. So until then, I don't know exactly where Bitcoin's going to go because of this big, you know, blow off top right here. I'm not 100% sure. So is it the end? No. Is it a big correction? Yeah. Huge correction. 20% correction in one day. Right? Because it was 50,000 basically, and then it dropped $10,000. That's a fifth. So 20%. It went down by 1/5, 20%. So yeah, that is definitely a lot in one day. So now we're back up though. We went back up $4,000, 5,000 for a little while, and now we're back to 46 again, testing that 200-day moving average. So I don't know why we had to do that again. It looks like there's issues with Bitcoin right now. Everybody lost their, you know, momentum, their mindset that, oh, Bitcoin is just going up, going up, going up. A lot of the people that were leverage trading that got wrecked are probably like, oh man, I don't want to buy Bitcoin right now, and they're having a little sob fest, which I don't blame them. I had a little sob fest of my own, probably not as bad as some of the leverage traders, and it's times like these that I'm really glad that I don't leverage trade, that I don't live in a place where I can. Now, how BitBoy Crypto and those other guys who live in the United States do leverage trading, I don't know. I don't know if that's illegal. They live in Atlanta, Georgia. So I'm not trying to call them out or anything, but like, I know I can't leverage trade because I live in the U.S. Well, they live in the U.S. too, so how are they leverage trading? I mean, does he go to Mexico just to do a trade or something? Like, I don't get how that works. And how can you explain your taxes if you're making a ton of money leverage trading with a big business like that? I don't know how they do that. Like, I'm wondering. I'm not calling him out or anything. Like, I have a lot of respect for BitBoy Crypto and what he does and everything, and having a successful channel and starting a company and, you know, employing people. But still, I think YouTube's #1 spot should always be the individual. Once you start making it a company and other stuff like that. Like if I turn my channel into a company, then I probably don't deserve the #1 spot. An individual does, because that's what YouTube's about. It should just be about us being able to make videos and talk to people and let them know how we're feeling, and also talk about one of our hobbies as well, like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, and things are looking good. So like I said, the Golden Cross is going to play out here soon, and we're going to have a big recovery. I see it in the making. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.